Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video here we'll be working on a Fiat guys, and we'll show you if you have a Fiat guys how to disconnect your airbag wires. Now we'll demonstrate on Fiat 500, but it will work on multiple Fiat models guys. We'll explain guys how to properly disconnect the steering wheel airbag wires, and it will work on other airbags as well. Why? Because Fiat uses a different system guys, and we want to show you guys how we do it. Now, quick introduction to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do all that guys? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing this free information to you. If you guys need to buy any parts or tools for your Fiat vehicle, check out the link in the description of the video below. We'll share that for your convenience. Now, first thing guys, we need to open the hood of that Fiat. Now, doesn't matter what Fiat you have guys, procedure will be the same as I said. We need to go ahead, open the hood, and we'll show you why guys. Every time you disconnect an airbag, you need to make sure that you disconnect your car battery for at least 1 hour, okay, before you start messing with the airbag. That way the system will discharge and the possibility for something to blow up, it's less likely. Now, if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbags, don't do it guys. I wouldn't consider doing it if I'm not qualified. So, always guys, know, okay, what is right, what is not, and if you don't feel confident, take it to a specialist. Now, let's open. You need to guys disconnect your car battery for 1 hour. There is a special way to disconnect your car battery so you don't cause any damage to the electronics or the engine computer on your Fiat. So we'll have the video on the channel guys, and we'll have the link in the description of the video below how to properly disconnect car battery. It matters if you remove the positive or the negative first, so you have to check it out guys, and it's very important how you reconnect it later as well. So that being said guys, okay, let us show you what we have here. Consider this guys entertaining video and not a how-to video, but we'll show you guys how we do it here at the shop. This is a Fiat 500 as I said. Now, airbag, I got it loose. Okay, we have a video how to remove airbag if you need to. Check that one out. We'll have it on the channel. This is guys the airbag, okay, on the back side right here. Those are the connectors, okay, that we have. Now, let me show you guys, okay, what we'll be doing here. Never guys ever use any metal tools, okay, you shouldn't use any metal tools, but what we need to do, okay, here, okay, that tooth, okay, needs to be pressed in, and this tooth needs to be pressed in as well. What I do, I get that screwdriver, but guys, that could kill you. Okay, check it out. I push it like that, then I grab the connector and I pull it straight out. Do not twist, nope, you just pull it straight out because you will damage your pins. Same thing applies to what we have right here. Okay, check it out now. Okay, and support your airbag, because if that thing explodes the way I dropped it, it's going to kill you guys. So you have to be very careful how you handle those. Have a second person to hold it for you. When you store the airbag, always put it upside down, okay, like that, because if you put it upside down, put it up like that, and if it explodes, it can kill you guys. That way, if it explodes, the bag will come this way out. So hopefully guys, video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you guys next time.